This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to pretty much show you how to factory reset or wipe the data from any Android phone. So I have my Samsung phone right here, and for this one, I have to press the volume down and the power button, and I just want to open up the power screen right here so I can just go to power off. So I'm going to power off this phone, and I'm going to do the same thing with my Google Pixel. This one is volume up in power, and if I tap that together I can go to power off right here. So my Samsung takes an extra step. I have to plug this USB cable into my PC or laptop and then just let it charge for like 5 to 10 seconds. When I can see the charging symbol on here, I can press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And I can just hold this down now, and then it should launch into the other mode. So it didn't do that for some reason, so I'm just going to unplug it and plug it back in. So just wait a second. And you can see the symbol right here. If that pops up, we don't want that. We just want the regular charging symbol. So you can plug that back in. But on my Google phone right here, I just have to press the volume down button and the power button. It'll launch directly into the recovery mode. And then we can go to volume down, recovery mode, press power. And then you should be able to see this on your screen pop up. So if it says no command, just hold down the power button, tap volume up, and then here it is. So we can go back to my Samsung phone here, and I can just plug it in. I want to see the charging symbol, and then when I see that charging symbol on here, I should be able to just hold down power up and volume up, and there it is. Let's go ahead and let go now. Now we can use the volume down key and go to where it says wipe data, factory reset, go down here, wipe data, factory reset. So not every Android phone is going to be the same. It's either hold down the power button, volume up, or hold down the power button, volume down when the phone is powered off. And then when you see the logo, you can let go. So just try out those combinations. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.